DJI is playing mind games with us this month, and it's working. Because while everyone's waiting for the Mini 5 Pro drone, something much smaller might be dropping today, and hardly anyone saw it coming. If you stick around, I'll show you what just leaked about DJI's mysterious new action camera, why influencers already have it in their hands, and when you might actually be able to buy it. So here's the backstory. Just yesterday, the rumor mill was spinning about the Mini 5 Pro, the successor to DJI's Mini 4 Pro. Influencers already have the drone, and September 16th was tipped as the big reveal date. But DJI? Totally silent. No teasers, no hints, nothing. Now here's where it gets interesting. While everyone's eyes were on the drone, whispers started about a different device, the Osmo Nano, a tiny modular action camera. Normally DJI teases new products a week in advance, but this time they've gone completely rogue. And then, boom, out of nowhere, a YouTuber called The Product Village uploaded a short clip introducing the Osmo Nano. The video was quickly taken down, but not before it was reshared across X, and that clip gave us two huge details. Number one, the Osmo Nano has 128 gigabytes of built-in storage, no memory card required. Number two, DJI will sell it in multiple accessory packs, just like its previous action cameras. And it doesn't stop there. Trusted leaker Roland Quant has already posted official product images on Blue Sky, suggesting DJI has been quietly showing this off behind the scenes. Insiders are hinting at a September 10th launch, which, depending on when you're watching this video, could literally be happening right now. So here's the bottom line. DJI has managed to turn its product launch schedule into a game of hide and seek. The Mini 5 Pro is practically confirmed for September 16th, but the real wild card, the Osmo Nano, could be on sale today. And if that's true, DJI just pulled off one of its boldest, quietest product drops yet. So what do you think? Would you grab the Osmo Nano over the Mini 5 Pro, or are you waiting for DJI's next big drone? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe if you want the latest on DJI's next moves.